Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about perspective and how to draw cities and streets in two-point perspective. I'm going to explain you the basic rules for drawing a street like this. So in the end of this video, you will have the concept of two-point perspective in this kind of drawing. If you haven't seen it, I also have another video about drawing cities but with a one-point perspective, which I will link down below. Before starting, I would like to thank the sponsor of this video, which is a platform that I particularly like, Skillshare. If you're watching this, you probably like learning new skills, and Skillshare is the perfect place for that. They offer thousands of inspiring classes on topics like drawing, design, photography, and so much more. In fact, I just published my own course there last month on one-point perspective drawing. You can check it out. The first 500 people to use my link in the description will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So whether you are curious about a new hobby or want to deep dive into a specific topic like video editing, gardening, watercolor painting, this is the perfect chance to explore everything Skillshare has to offer completely free for 1 month. Don't miss out. Now let's jump back into cities in two-point perspective. So two-point perspective is used when drawing something we are looking at its corner. This is when we have two vanishing points on the horizon line. And again, the best way to start learning perspective drawing is by learning how to draw boxes. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So I first start by drawing the corner of the box. Then I trace the converging lines starting from the side of the corner line to the two vanishing points. And here is the first vanishing point. Then I trace the horizon line, and this is the second vanishing point. I trace the other converging lines, then I decide where to end the form, and that's it. So in this case, we are directly facing this corner of the box. We can then draw another box next to this one, and another one. For drawing this kind of city, imagine all these big tall buildings like tall boxes next to each other like this. Then you can draw details, and then trees and everything that you want. Keep in mind that the horizon line is your eye level. So if you place it lower like this is really going to look like this is the view of someone walking in the street and looking around. It really means that the eye level of this person is on the first floor of the buildings. While on the other one we drew before, it looks like someone is looking out of the window of the 5th floor of a building. And if you want to draw a kind of bird's eye view of a city, you can place the horizon high like that. I think the best way to make a nice drawing of a city with two vanishing points is to keep it balanced with the horizon in the middle. First we draw the corner we are facing, then the converging lines. Here's a taller building. So continue to draw boxes of different sizes next to each other. Then let's start adding living details and complete this drawing. Anyway, now I'm going to draw a nice street view inspired by this picture. Keep in mind that when you know how to build the foundations of your drawing, and by foundation I mean placing in an accurate way the vanishing points and the horizon line, and of course adjusting the scale of the objects, you will be able to draw any complex cityscape. And that's all. If you like this video, I'm sure you're gonna love this one also, about drawing cities in 1-point perspective. And I'm going to make another one really soon about drawing cities in 3-point perspective this time, with a more exaggerated view. If you have any question or suggestion, please feel free to ask. Bye!